practicing from Angampora steamer. So today I'm going to teach you how to kick in Angampora way. Okay, there are several kicks we are using in Angampora, so I will teach you, and I'm going to introduce a special kind of exercise to improve your explosive power. Okay. Okay. First one is groin kick. Okay, this is how we attack your enemy's groin. It's actually very deadly shot if you do it correctly. Okay, you might wonder what I'm doing by going down, right? Actually, this is for improve your explosive power. So if you can do this in training, you can do this kind of kicks without any effort. It's very easy. Second one is Tallapar. This shot I'm going to attack this area. Okay, the third one is Pitapara, or we call it outer kick. With that kick, I'm going to attack my enemies this area, side, or sometimes his face. Go here, go here. Okay, this one is another variant of outer kick or pitapara, so we'll see how to do that.
You go.
Okay, next one is Atulpar, we call it inner kick. So with that kick, again I'm going to attack his rib cage. Okay, next one is Tallupar or push kick. There are two ways of doing this thing. I'll teach you. This is the first way of doing Tallupar. Okay, in second variant, we are attacking with heel. Third one and the last one is a knee. We call Danispar, or some call Sandipar. Okay, so make sure you are using this in close range. Okay, close quarter combat. Make sure when you are doing this knee kick, your body is going backward and he is going front. It's like shooting from here.
Welcome back. I hope you learned something from our video. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. See you again next video. Stay safe. Hi everyone.